Right, I'm here with the famous Graham Knight from Agri.
As was?
As was, yes. Once worked with Graham once upon a time, many moons ago.
Yeah.
He taught me everything I know, which is why I know nothing. So yeah, what we're doing here today is I am seeding forage rape. It's going on at 2.5 kilos to the acre. Graham's put on a nice video, hopefully outlining spreading at 6 metres. So yeah, hopefully no one picks up too many mistakes.
Let's have a look at the machine, Dan.
Oh yes, we've got the machine. So Can-Am Traxter HD8. Its day-to-day job goes around soil sampling, so we have a Wintex 1000 in there, so we can take automated samples at a consistent depth.
Yeah.
So we go all around the country now doing soil sampling.
Yeah, I saw that, yeah. Lincolnshire, Cambridge.
Yeah, anywhere.
Yeah.
Man with car will travel.
Ah, very good.
And then as a sideline, I've got the stocks.
You can do stock pellets,
stock spreader, yeah. So I've got full
rapeseed,
so we can do
double turnips.
Yeah.
What's
you name it, we can spread it.
What's the swath width for that, Dan?
Depending on what the seed size is, really. So anywhere between 3 metres. Some seeds will spread up to 12 metres with this.
Yeah.
On a nice calm day.
Yeah.
Which isn't what we've got today.
No. I've got the Mavic 4 Pro just filming this bit as well, and that's a relatively new drone from DJI. It has a standard width of 35 miles an hour.
Not to be confused with DJL.
No. I think they're a slightly bigger company than you.
Oh yeah, we're massive now. Global.
Okay, that's it then, Dan.
I'm here with the famous Graham Knight from Agri.
As was?
As was, yes. Once worked with Graham once upon a time, many moons ago.
Yeah.
He taught me everything I know, which is why I know nothing. So yeah, what we're doing here today is I am seeding forage rape. It's going on at 2.5 kilos to the acre. Graham's put on a nice video, hopefully outlining spreading at 6 metres. Start again.
Take two.
Candid camera, right. Here's some seed. So we've got some forage rape seed just nestled in the.
Presume it's not dressed, is it?
Soil.
With anything, is it?
Flea
beetle or nothing these days.
No,
not these days.
There's no illegal stuff going on here, Graham.
No, of course not.
A bit of seed just under the straw here.
Yeah.
So we've got the Cambridge rollers in the background.
Yeah.
They'll be heading over this way.
Yeah, surely. Yeah.
So we can try and conserve some moisture.
Yeah. Okay.
Pray for some rain.
Yes. Very good.